Thank you for taking the time to look at Solid Edge Electrical Design Products, a suite of applications for the design, simulation, and manufacture of electrical systems and wiring harnesses. This video showcases Solid Edge Electrical Routing, a dedicated process-driven environment for the efficient creation, routing, and organization of wires, cables, and bundles in a solid edge assembly. The tool allows design teams to collaborate to create complete and accurate digital mock-ups containing both mechanical and electrical components. So how does it work? Electrical engineers design a schematic of the electrical system, which details how everything should be connected together, complete with all relevant components. Connected mode then allows the schematic to be sent to the Solid Edge 3D CAD environment with a single click. Here we're seeing this on a single machine, but the same would apply on remote machines. This transfers harness details such as wires, connectors, terminals, splices, and net lists. In the Solid Edge session, these can easily be imported. Again, this is done with a single click. Here, components can be easily assigned if necessary. Once done, the appropriate wire connections are generated in the mechanical environment. Here, the mechanical engineer can then work on the mechanical aspects of their design without worrying about changing associated wire harness information. The first step is to route the wiring appropriately through the design, bundling it through any necessary clips or channels. Creating the physical representation of the harness allows the engineer to identify whether the harness will clash or interfere with any of the other components. Here, the wiring can be adjusted appropriately to eliminate any clashes. Moving components to which the harness is attached will update and adjust the wiring also. Design violations are constantly monitored as the harness is being designed, and correct cutting length information is easily accessible for manufacturing. All this information flows between the electrical and mechanical worlds, enabling fast and easy collaboration. Connected mode with Solid Edge Electrical Routing also allows dynamic cross-probing between mechanical and electrical domains. Here, components or wires selected in one environment will highlight in the other environment, allowing real-time collaboration between the ECAD, MCAD disciplines. Once the design is complete, the physical harness information can be imported back into the schematic so that the wires can be annotated with their lengths. This can be used for electrical analysis, such as voltage drop. This type of virtual prototyping removes the need for expensive physical prototypes. Solid Edge Electrical Design products enable collaborative design by providing seamless integration between 2D and 3D MCAD domains. To find out more on how Solid Edge Electrical Design can help you streamline your electrical design process by reducing cost and design cycle time, visit our website at solidedge.siemens.com.